Say, oh, hey, weird seeing you here. Welcome to the house. I don't know if you've had a tour of this house yet, but I'll take you a little around. Here's Jared, by the way. So what's up, Jared?
What's up, guys?
And you can see by all the cars here, it's actually quite a busy day. We're trying to refi, yeah, and you may think I'm crazy. 2.75% interest rate. I bought this as a second home in 2020. We're actually refining it to a 7%. You probably smack me in the face and tell me I'm an idiot, but, ow, that hurt. I want to refi it because I'm putting an old line of credit into it as well, and then the total payment's going down by $1,200, right? So these houses are pretty expensive. That money adds up pretty quickly. But so we're getting some stuff cleaned up for the new appraiser to come out. But come on in. My daughter just is about to turn 16, just got her first car, because we don't want her learning on my car or my wife's Navigator because she feels nervous. So we got her a Hyundai Tucson. That's it. She named it Ian Gallagher because it's red, like red hair, I guess. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll show you the house real quick. You can see from this angle here that we're on the lake. You can look. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we're on the lake, Lake Guntersville in beautiful Alabama. I like it because you live like a king here. Like it's cheap. Cheap taxes, cheap everything. Maybe we'll take a quick peek. We're getting cleaned up, so don't judge me if it's messy. We're doing lots of little stuff, lots of decluttering. Which was crazy is this was an Airbnb, right? So this house is fully furnished. We've had this for about 4 years plus. House is fully furnished. Then we moved from a house that was 3,500 square feet, obviously fully furnished, into our Airbnb that was fully furnished. So as you can imagine, we had 2 houses full of furnitures, and it was actually causing a lot of issues. We gave away tons of stuff, sold stuff on Facebook Marketplace, but we still have way too much. So that's what we're doing is decluttering. Come on in. Don't know who's in here. But we'll see. My film crew's here. Can we come in? So we're just cleaning up, as you can see. This is Marquita. There's my wife Susie. There's Jared. This is where we watch TV. This is where we cook. This is where we sit outside. You've had the whole tour. Awesome. Let's go to my office. Oh, look at Jared.
You'll fall over the front.
This is so exciting. Oh,
Yeah. Facing.
this is so exciting. I like this.
That's Miss Tammy's.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Come on out. So when you work from home, this is a dichotomy, like it's a struggle I've had for a long time where I don't feel like I can disconnect. Like my wife comes in, let's talk about dinner and my kids, like, and I'm not the best version of them. I'm not the best version of myself for them like I'd like to be when I'm still in work mode. Like I got all this crazy stuff going through my head. But I'll tell you, interestingly enough, this little 50-foot walk to my office has been a game changer compared to my last couple of houses. I'm living like in an office upstairs and I walk downstairs. So I've been learning from this book called The Alter Ego Effect. There's like these triggers, these tokens, these moments, as well as my coach Simon taught me about how do we turn off work brain and turn on Chris brain, or turn on dad brain, or turn on husband brain. So we've been working on that, but having some separation has been huge. Come on, I'll show you the office. It's actually a little bit depressing because a lot of times I walk here and all I want to do is walk that way towards the lake, but I can't because I have to work. But I decided to take my detached garage and convert it and finish it up, drywall it, add an air conditioner because it gets pretty warm in the summer. And I added this other screened-in porch, 16 by 20 screened-in porch. For me, if you know me very well, I absolutely love hot tubs. Even in the summer, I'll turn the hot tub down to like 97. Lorian, the man behind the camera, has been in here with me a couple times. Don't get any weird ideas. But yeah, we've had a really good time in here. I love hammocks, if you know me. Love them, love them, love them. I do my breathing, my Wim Hof in here in the mornings. I also get up. I'm antsy. Maybe I have ADHD. I don't know. But I move around to like 25 different places to work every day. So I work from here. I work from the hammock. I work from the exercise bike. Sometimes Jared comes over and takes sales calls from the dock. Sometimes I'm on the couch. All kinds of crazy stuff. So that's one of the things we do. We're decluttering, as you see. But I got my TV up here. Of course, I love to watch America's Got Talent at night, cry like a baby, watch the Golden Buzzer videos on YouTube. It's what I like to do. So come on in. Once again, I mean, the sign of a brilliant mind is a messy desk or a messy office. That's the lie I tell myself. That's my affirmation every day. But yeah, this is my little studio area. We do a lot of filming here, a lot of podcasts. I literally coach probably for 3 to 5 hours a day, at least 4 days a week. So having a place where I've got a little bit of a background, some of my trophies has been big for me. Jared and I come over here and do lots of whiteboard sessions. This thing's got probably more miles on it than that girl in high school that you wanted to date, but your mom wouldn't let you. Like, telling you. Maybe that was a bad example. But yeah, so we're having a lot of fun. We do a lot of stuff in here. The massage chair, my brother calls it the mistress, Randy, or we used to call it Dolly, but she's very intimate. She's very friendly, but I sit in here quite often. But yeah, this is it, man. I'll tell you, my favorite thing about this office is the air conditioner, though. Wow. Man, I didn't have it, and then until I needed it, and all of a sudden it's like 85 degrees in here. So best $5,000 I ever spent. Way too expensive, but there's nothing I can do about that. So, but yep, this is my office. And one more thing, I got some new hardware. I've got some cool trophies. I've got a lot of deals I've closed. I'm missing 7 different tombstones from businesses that we've purchased in the last year. I just haven't had them made yet. Jared technically makes a tombstone, so I got to get with Jared. A couple of my Inc. 5000s, really enjoyed that. Some of my Ninja Warrior trophies, but my big 2 X award for making $10 million from one funnel came in recently, and then I'm working on, I know it's crazy, I'm just go ahead and call my shot. I'm working on 5 more of the 2 clubs for all different companies that I'm a part of. I'm actually even using ClickFunnels specifically on some of these businesses when they're not my tech stack, just so I can get more trophies. But I'm trying. So welcome to my office, and maybe next time I see you, I'll be in Mexico.